Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to design a regular Mail-chimp email newsletter. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to design a professional and engaging newsletter that you can send out regularly to your subscribers. Part 1. Setting up your Mail-chimp account. Before we dive into designing our newsletter, we first need to set up a Mail-chimp account if you haven't already. We'll walk you through the process of creating an account, choosing a pricing plan, and setting up your first mailing list. Part 2. Choosing a newsletter strategy. Before designing your newsletter, it's essential to have a strategy in place. We'll discuss different types of newsletters you can send out and help you choose a strategy that fits your business needs. We'll also show you how to plan your content and create an editorial calendar. Part 3. Creating a template. Now that we have our strategy in place, let's create a template for our newsletter. We'll show you how to choose a layout, customize your branding, and add your content blocks. We'll also discuss the importance of consistency in design and branding. Part 4. Designing your newsletter. With our template created, it's time to start designing our regular newsletter. We'll walk you through how to add images, format text, and choose colors and fonts that match your brand. We'll also show you some tips and tricks to make your newsletter visually appealing and easy to read. You'll learn how to create a balance between text and images and how to use white space effectively. Part 5. Adding content. Now that our design is complete, it's time to add our content. We'll show you how to add text, images, and links to your newsletter. We'll also discuss best practices for writing engaging content that will keep your subscribers interested. You'll learn how to use storytelling techniques and how to include calls to action in your newsletter. Part 6. Sending your newsletter. Finally, we're ready to send out our regular newsletter. We'll show you how to schedule your newsletter for a specific date and time, preview it, test it, and send it to your subscribers. We'll also discuss how to track your newsletter's performance and make improvements for future newsletters. Congratulations! You've designed and sent out your first regular Mail-chimp newsletter. With the skills you've learned in this video, you'll be able to create engaging and professional newsletters that will help you grow your business. Remember to keep your content fresh and relevant, and stay consistent with your design and branding. Thanks for watching.